This will be an explanation of how to create a consignor commission scale. First thing you're going to do is go to the new commission scale button up in the corner. You're just going to type into a name. And you can select the type percentage or flat. Flat will just be a flat fee. Percentage will be a percentage of the price. And then you're going to set it to active, or you can set it inactive. And then you're going to go ahead and add a level. The first level, the low, is going to be $0. And then you're going to set your high. In this case, I'm going to say $2,000. And then the commission. And for the sake of this, we're going to say that's 20%. Now you just added a level. Now from there, you can go and add another level. Let's say we go. It's going to auto-populate the next highest value. So it's going to be $2,000.01, and then we'll go to 5,000. Say from this we're going to do 15%. And you can just keep going there until you get to the highest level that you want to use, and then click Add. And from there, you can go to a consignor. And you can select the commission scale. You can select example there, and then go to the bottom here and click update. And our commission scale will now be active for that consignor.